Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to Haniela's. I'm back with another cookie decorating tutorial. Last week we had a recipe week and I made delicious peach slab bread. If you haven't seen this video, be sure to check it out and let me know if you tried the recipe. I'd love to know what you think. And today we are going back with two really fun designs. First is galaxy lips. So let's get started. With edible marker, divide the cookie and we're going to ice bottom first. To make the galaxy, I am using black royal icing, navy blue, dark purple, sky blue, pink and white. And all of these are 15-second consistency. If you are not familiar what that means, be sure to check out my detailed tutorial about royal icing consistency and how to use it and how to fin royal icing. Now take a needle tool and shape the icing and blend the colors slightly. To make the galaxies, pipe pink royal icing and then a little bit of white and then shape the icing. I guess these would be elliptical galaxies or spiral galaxies. Once you're done with these, we're going to add some stars. To make the stars, I'm using white royal icing, and be sure to make few dots a bit bigger so we can then shape them. Let it crust and then continue on the top. When using wet on wet technique, it's important that you work fast, and so I wanted to avoid my icing crusting, so that's why I decided to do bottom of the cookie first, letting it crust and then doing the top. Because when you are icing a large cookie, doing a wet on wet, you're risking that the icing is gonna crust on you before you are finished with your design. And in today's tutorial, I am using tipless piping bags. You can find a link where to get these on my blog. For added sparkle, I'm adding some rainbow dust and some silver sprinkles. Let it crust and then with piping consistency black, pipe across. And now we are going to make a really fun summery design, ice cream cone lips. So I'm dividing the cookie into two sections like we did before, and we're gonna ice the bottom first. I'm using 15-second consistency royal icing, and to color this icing I used ivory, a little bit of yellow, and I added a touch of brown. Now take a light tan royal icing, 15-second consistency, and pipe the grid onto the wet base. You can see it sinking into the base. Now with light brown, pipe the lines like so. This is going to be the shading. I really like sugar waffle cone for my ice cream. It's so good. So this is the waffle cone that we are making. Right after this, we're going to let it crust, and then we're going to outline first, and then we're going to accentuate the grid. But keep in mind that you don't want to cover up the shading, the light brown royal icing that you used. So just follow the grid lines. And I'm using about piping consistency royal icing. So after this I'm going to let it crust, and then we're going to ice the top. I'm using red royal icing, 15-second consistency. Let the icing dry, and then we're going to add chocolate syrup using brown royal icing, about 20 to 25-second consistency. And while the chocolate brown is wet, take some rainbow Jimmy sprinkles and sprinkle it over top. And here are the finished ice cream cone lips cookies and galaxy cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to let me know what you think in a comment section down below. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you get notified about my new uploads. And I will see you next time.